If you are adding fractions together, you've got to look at the bottom number of the fraction. If we're talking about pizza, that bottom number is the total number of slices it takes to make an entire pizza. So the fraction 1/2 is 1 out of 2 slices needed to make the whole thing. The fraction 1/3 is 1, top number, out of 3 slices it takes to make the whole thing. If we are adding these, when we put them together, we run into a bit of a problem. 1/3 is about this much. If I was being precise, then I would measure this out. And 1/2 is about this much. The issue is, because we don't have these green lines on my drawing, I don't know exactly how much this pizza is. The trick is to get the bottom numbers to be exactly the same. And the way we do that is by finding equivalent fractions with like denominators. In fractions, the numerator is the top number, the denominator is the bottom number. The way you do it, figure out where 2 and 3 meet. I know that I can turn that 2 into a 6 by multiplying it by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And if I multiply by 3 on the bottom, I am multiplying by 3 on the top. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 out of 6 is the exact same thing as 1 out of 2. The reason this happens is the math says we are taking the 2 slices of pizza and turning it into 3 each. That's what we just did to the pizza when we multiply. And when we turn each of those 2 slices, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, into those 3, we automatically turn the colored slice into 3, 1, 2, 3. You will now see that 3 out of the 6 slices are colored. Well, what about the 1/3? We need to make that the same denominator. Can you turn a 3 into a 6? Yes, you can, times 2. And if we multiply by 2 on the bottom, we multiply by 2 on the top. These numbers must match. They can be different than these numbers as long as it makes the denominators the same. What just happened here in the drawing is we took each of those 3 slices and turned them into 2. Basically, we cut them each in half. You will notice there are 6 slices in this pizza now. How many are colored? 2. And the reason for that is 1 times 2 is 2. Now, we can put these fractions together. The slice size will be exactly the same. There will still be 6 slices. If I take these pieces and I move them over there, I still need 6 slices to make a pizza. The bottom number stays the same. But the top number we can put together. 3 pieces plus 2 pieces makes a grand total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of pizza. So when you are adding fractions with unlike denominator, you have to change them into like denominators and then just add the top. That's it. Find a place where the bottom numbers meet, in this case 6, and then just add the top straight across. There you go.